Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a subscriber request for Salmon Loaf. Elaine Nichols, who's probably my #1 subscriber. She watches every video, she comments on every video, just awesome. She asked for Salmon Loaf. So, we're gonna do that today, next. I've never had it, I've never made it, so we're gonna do it together. Salmon Loaf coming your way. All right, let's get started. I've got 2 cans of wild caught salmon that I'm going to strain through this guy and get all the bones and skin out of. Next, we're going to take a small package of Ritz crackers. You can use Sautéings or breadcrumbs, whatever you like, but I like Ritz crackers. Put it in my food processor and get that all ground up nice and small. And we're going to set that to the side. Now we're going to get out a medium-sized frying pan, 1 stick of butter, turn the heat on medium. And once that butter melts down, we're going to add 1 small white or yellow onion that we diced up. And we're going to saute this just for about a minute. And then we're going to add some fresh ground pepper and some kosher salt to it. And we'll mix this up. There we go. And lastly, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of dry chives. If you don't have chives, you can use parsley, or you don't have to add any of that at all. It's up to you. All right, we'll get those in there, mix them up. Now let's get started on our loaf. We got our salmon. We're going to add our Ritz crackers that we ground up. We're going to add 3 eggs. And we're going to get in there and mix that up real well. There we go. Next, we're going to add the onions that we sauteed with the butter and the chives. And 2 tablespoons of sour cream. And we'll give that another mix. And while I'm doing that, if you could please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment if you can. I really appreciate it. All right, so we got our loaf pan here that we sprayed with non-stick. And we're going to put our salmon right into it. And then get our spatula and spread it out as even as we can. Make sure there's no bubbles in there. Get all the corners pressed down. Just like that. Got my oven heated to 325 degrees. And this is going to go in for 40 to 45 minutes. Or until you can put a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean. And you'll see here in a second what I'm talking about. And that is a clean toothpick. All right, we're going to let this cool a little bit. We'll flip it over, slice it. So I served it with a little bit of corn. And it was a delicious salmon loaf. Had a side of tartar sauce. If you go to my fish and chips recipe, video, you can see that recipe for tartar sauce. All right, thank you.